Hello, guys. Welcome again to the Word of Life. Today, we are going to go into another topic in chemistry called the acid, bases, and salts. Now, acid is a substance that, when dissolved in water, producing hydrogen ion as the only positive ion. This definition is actually given by a scientist called Arrhenius in the medieval ages. Later on, acid definition was actually adjoined to be acid is defined as an electron donor. Okay, this action is seen in the reaction between ester, which is CHOO minus, reacting with hydrogen, which is H plus, making it to be hydrogen as an electron donor and base as an electron acceptor. This particular definition is given by scientists, two scientists as well, called Bronsted and Lowry. So later on, acid is generally defined as a substance which, when dissolved in water, produces ozonium ion, that is H3 positive, as the only positive ion together with its radical ion. Okay, the radical ion there is actually talking about some ion from the base. Okay, so you can as well define acid as a substance that neutralizes a base to produce salt and water only. Okay, and again, acid has so many characteristics and also is divided into two, which is the organic acid and also the inorganic acid. The organic acid is actually the acid that is seen in plants and animals. Okay, those acids that are gotten from plants and animals are called the organic acid, and inorganic acid are acids that can be prepared artificially in the laboratory. Okay, they are called inorganic acid. So some of the organic acid are, we have the metanoic acid, ethanoic acid, ascorbic acid, patetonic acid. Okay, these are all organic acid. We have the amino acid, we have the carboxylic acid. Okay, these are some of the examples of organic acid. Okay, so inorganic acid, uh, you can see them like they are, like I said before, they are artificially prepared in the laboratory. Example is the sulfuric acid, which is H2SO4. We call it tetraososulfate acid. They are inorganic acid. Okay, we have the hydrochloric acid. These are examples of inorganic acid. Okay, so the definition of organic acid goes this way. An organic acid is a substance that, when dissolved in water, okay, produces hydrogen ion. But the only thing is that the ionization is not completely, it ionizes partially or incompletely in water to produce hydrogen ion. While inorganic acid ionizes completely in water, produces hydrogen ion as the only positive ion. And also, in organic acid, it is not corrosive. Okay, so it means that there is no how you can be able to consume in organic acid. Okay, as much as you can, that it can try to burn your skin. It's not possible. While inorganic acid, that are the ones that are prepared in the laboratory, can burn the skin. Example is the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, conc sulfuric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid, if it touches your skin, it will burn them. If you pour it on the floor, it can affect the building. It can collapse a building. Okay, and if you pour it on iron, it can melt iron. Example, conc hydrochloric acid can melt iron. Okay, so Some of the characteristics of acid goes this way. Number one is the taste. It has a sour taste or taste of an a lemon or unripe orange. This is actually the taste of an acid. And also, acid, if you put litmus paper, red litmus paper, sorry, blue litmus paper, it changes it to red. That is one of the characteristics of acid. Okay, and also an acid can also be an acid can also react with some compounds to form some effervescent gases like the sodium hydroxide or the potassium hydroxide. If you bring it close to an acid, you will see a kind of thick smoke. Try to talk about effervescence. So the next time we meet, we'll also continue on the um, this topic acid, and we are also going to talk about some of this acid that we eat in our body that can help us as well. Okay, so do follow me if you're not actually following me before sharing it with your friends that are actually interested in learning, and see you in the next video.